not a vehicle for people who play safe. This is not built for paved roads, weekend camping, or comfortable parking lots. What you are seeing is the Mercedes-Benz Unimog 6x6 Expedition motorhome, a machine engineered to dominate terrain, survive extremes, and erase the idea of limits. The first encounter is intimidating. The height, the width, the sheer mechanical aggression of this machine makes ordinary vehicles feel fragile. 6 massive all-terrain wheels grip the ground like claws. The body looks armored, purposeful, almost military in presence. This Unimog does not blend in anywhere. It announces itself before it even moves. At the front, the Mercedes-Benz grille stands like a badge of authority. The 3-pointed star is not here for luxury branding, it's here as a warning. Heavy-duty bumpers, reinforced skid plates, recovery hooks, and industrial-grade protection tell you this vehicle expects impact, resistance, and punishment. Roof-mounted rally lights prepare it for darkness, storms, and conditions where visibility decides survival. Now imagine this monster unleashed at full speed in a frozen landscape. Snow detonates under the tires. Ice shatters and sprays outward as the suspension works violently beneath the chassis. The 6x6 drivetrain claws for traction, distributing torque with brutal efficiency. This is not reckless driving, this is calculated domination. While normal vehicles hesitate, slide, or fail, the Unimog charges forward without apology. Climb into the cockpit and the mindset changes instantly. This is not a casual driving position. This is a command center. The steering wheel feels solid, heavy, and deliberate. The dashboard surrounds you with information, control, and authority. Digital displays show axle locks, drivetrain status, suspension height, terrain modes, and diagnostics in real time. You don't guess what the vehicle is doing, you know. At night, the cockpit becomes intense. The ambient glow is low and focused. Displays burn sharply against the darkness. Every switch is backlit, every control ready. And when something goes wrong, the Unimog does not whisper. Engine warnings, system alerts, and fault messages flash clearly, turning the cabin into a high-pressure control room. This machine demands attention, respect, and skill. Step beyond the cockpit and the contrast is brutal. The aggression gives way to discipline and luxury. The living space feels like a fortified sanctuary. Premium materials, clean lines, and flawless construction replace raw mechanics. This is where the Unimog proves it's not just about surviving the journey, it's about enduring it. The kitchen is compact but ruthless in efficiency. Stone countertops, flush cabinetry, and integrated appliances are designed to work in extreme environments. You can cook real food, prepare hot drinks, and maintain routine even when civilization is hundreds of kilometers away. This isn't comfort for show, it's comfort that keeps you operational. The washroom continues the same philosophy. This is not a compromised space. A glass-enclosed shower, premium fixtures, and marine-grade systems turn basic hygiene into recovery. After hours of battling terrain, cold, and fatigue, this space resets you. It's functional, secure, and unapologetically premium. Then comes the bedroom. This is where the Unimog rewards endurance. A large, solid bed, calm lighting, and insulated walls create silence and safety. Outside could be chaos, wind, snow, or isolation, but inside this space you recover. Panoramic windows connect you to the environment by day. Blackout darkness protects you at night. This vehicle refuses compromise. It does not choose between luxury and brutality. It delivers both at full strength. It can crawl over rock fields, blast through snowstorms, and then shut the world out completely when the day is done. This is not a motorhome for tourists. It's built for explorers, filmmakers, survivalists, and people who measure freedom by distance from help. It's for those who don't ask if a road exists. They ask if the terrain can be conquered. Every bolt, every system, every design choice exists for one reason: reliability under pressure. This Unimog is not about comfort in easy places. It's about confidence in the worst places on Earth. Whether it's parked inside a luxury showroom or ripping through a frozen mountain pass, the message is the same. This machine does not negotiate with nature. It overpowers it. This is not just a motorhome, it's a weapon against limits, a moving stronghold, a declaration that adventure is not supposed to be comfortable. This is the Mercedes-Benz Unimog 6x6 Expedition motorhome, and it exists for people who refuse to stop when the road ends.